With the HydroPower Ultra pure water filter from Unger, you are choosing a highly professional, reliable and efficient filter system that can meet your needs exactly. And this deionization filter is also extremely easy to use. You simply connect your water hose, quickly check the integrated digital display, the TDS meter, to see if the water quality is right, and then you're ready to go. And when it's time to change the resin in your HydroPower Ultra from Unger, it takes just a few simple steps to replace the pre-portioned Ultra Resin Packs, which contain a formula perfect for window cleaning. With the fresh replacement resin, you can get right back to work quickly and efficiently. By the way, the Unger Ultra Resin Packs are particularly economical thanks to the integrated FloWater Technology 2.0. This innovative technology guarantees an efficient water flow through the entire tank. This ensures optimal use of the resin. With the pure water cleaning system from Unger, you can easily do everything right. We promise. Make an appointment for a consultation today. Find out more here.